Did you guys see that? There's a woodpecker up here that I know you can't see very well, but sorry. I'm not like 12 feet high. No. Supposedly as some part of some mating ritual or whatever, every morning and apparently afternoon, he comes and he pecks at the top of this light pole. And I have no idea why, and I wish you could see him as well as I can. Wait, can I zoom in anymore? Oh my god, I can. That's awesome. No, watch, he's not going to do it because I want you to see it. Oh. I spoke too soon. Sorry. Okay, I guess I'm done.